Hi friends, welcome to Health Plaza. Are you maintaining a healthy heart? And do you know the consequences if you do not maintain a healthy heart? Let's see now. Cardiovascular diseases, that is the diseases related to heart, that is heart attack and strokes, and the diseases related to blood vessels that supply the blood to our body are the number one cause of death globally. And as we see, the premature deaths are increasing. That is, the people of age less than 70 years are dying due to heart diseases, mainly heart attack and stroke. What are the risk factors for heart diseases? Number one risk factor is not maintaining a proper and healthy diet. Second cause is being physically inactive and being obese. Next, smoking cigarettes and harmful use of alcohol. What are the important causes of heart diseases? Number 1, hypertension. Number 2, diabetes. Number 3, hyperlipidemia. Hypertension, that is high blood pressure, is a major risk factor for heart attack and stroke. High blood pressure can be reduced by salt reduction. As we see, we eat a lot of salt daily than recommended. We should lessen our salt to less than 5 grams per day. And we should include fruits and vegetables regularly in our diet. And we should avoid trans fats and saturated fats. We should be physically fit, that is, we should exercise regularly, that can reduce our blood pressure. And we should avoid smoking. Smoking increases blood pressure, and we should reduce alcohol consumption. And we should not take light of our health. No symptoms doesn't mean no blood pressure. So take time and have your blood pressure checked regularly. Next risk factor for heart diseases is diabetes, that is high blood sugar levels. Around 1.6 million people die worldwide due to diabetes every year. On long term, it causes damage to heart, blood vessels, kidneys, eyes, and legs. It is a silent killer. And type 1 diabetes prevention is not in our hands. For type 2, the risk factors about which we cannot do anything are having an age greater than 40 years and having a family history of diabetes, and which we can modify are overweight and physical inactivity. Irrespective of if we have diabetes or not, everybody should follow this: eating healthy diet, exercising regularly, avoiding overweight, and checking for blood sugar levels regularly. And if we have diabetes, we should definitely follow medical advice. Next risk factor for heart diseases is hyperlipidemia, that is high cholesterol levels in the body. The buildup cholesterol blocks the blood vessels and decreases the blood flow to the heart. Thereby, it increases the risk for heart attack and stroke. Hyperlipidemia, that is high cholesterol levels, has no symptoms. Routine blood tests can detect cholesterol levels, and it is recommended to take blood tests every 5 years for adults. Eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, avoiding trans fats and saturated fats can maintain normal cholesterol levels. The saturated foods are found in mutton, beef, pork, fat-rich milk, curd, and we should try to replace them with chicken, fish, low-fat dairy products. And we should cut out trans fats. They are found in fried foods, ice creams, cookies, and if we see a label written partially hydrogenated oils, we should avoid them. Include heart-healthy foods like omega-3 fatty acids in your diet. They are found in fish like salmon and seeds like walnut and flax. Get physically active, burn some calories. If you are obese, lose some weight and quit smoking. And include fiber-rich food in your diet. All fiber food is heart healthy. Soluble fibers like oats can reduce bad cholesterol. That's it, we are done. Try to follow all this for a healthy heart. And if you like the video, like, share, and support us by subscribing. Thank you for watching.